Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard Reset Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change voice model in Superwhisper. So in Superwhisper, not all voice models are the same. So on one hand, some of them are designed to be super fast so that your transcription will happen almost instantly, and they might make small mistakes. And on the other hand, other models are more accurate and they catch every single word, but they take a little longer time to process. So open Superwhisper application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left and go to Manage AI Models option under the Customization section. So here you can see all of them that are available, all of AI models. And here you can see some small labels next to a specific AI model that is on your screen. So here you can see speed label and accuracy label. So, for example, if you are in a quick meeting, you might pick a fast model so that you can get instant transcription. But for example, if you are writing something that needs perfect accuracy, like it could be some formal report or an interview, then you have to switch to more accurate model, even if it will take some extra seconds. So play around with them, discover them, and pick the best that suits you the best. And once you select it, it will apply immediately, and all your transcriptions from that point will use this new AI model. And even you can even switch between those AI models for different kind of tasks. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.